Hi guys, today I have some fun on the water, as you can see, and then I've lost my new 360 X3 camera, but it's not the story for this video. The story for this video is how to import all videos that you have that you shoot previously to your phone without a camera. So I have some struggle with editing these videos on my computer. As you can see, I have many files, many videos that I already shot on this camera before I lost it. And when I import it to my new Premiere Pro 2023, I have some issue with GoPro FX Reframe. First time it works perfectly, and the second time I open my Premiere Pro, I cannot put this plugin to any of these files. It doesn't work at all. It doesn't show any message or error or anything else. I can have a playback here. I've tried all the stuff from the internet, like reopen the project, create new project, new sequence, change engine settings to OpenCL, change everything else, and it doesn't work. So I need to work with this studio, Insta360 studio, and it's a little bit complicated for me because every time you need to create a checkpoint, you need to change pan angle, then you need to change tilt angle, then you need to change roll, then you need to change faux and distortion control. And it's 5 directions that you need to change every time you want to create checkpoint. I found it very inconvenient for me. It's a lot easier if you can touch your screen with the fingers and edit your key points like this. So I have a task to import these files to my Android phone and to edit it here. As you can see now, you don't have any files in the app, and all you need to do is connect your phone via USB, go to your phone folder. Here you need to open Android folder, then you need to open data, then you need to open Insta360 folder, which you can find easier if you make it list. Now you can here found your Insta360 Kiko. Now you need to go to Files, Insta360 Now we need to go to galleryOriginal, X3, camera 01, and now you can import any files to this folder. I can open my like these files and this. I need to choose some smaller files because I don't want to wait for long to copy it. By the way, you need to copy this path. I will leave it in the description to this video, so you can get it and paste in your computer or in your Android phone. To make this process easier, now you can have these 2 files on your phone, and if I refresh my gallery in the app, Insta360 app, I have 2 new files, and I can easily edit it with the touch of the fingers. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you know how to manage Premiere Pro GoPro Reframe plugin in order to get it work, please leave a comment. If you know the easiest way to edit your Insta360 X3 videos, leave a comment. Tell me how you do it, because for now the easiest way for me is to edit with my fingers. It's very convenient, very easy. I have more fun with it. It's cool.